Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the binding of Isaac, FPS drops, and lag. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna open Steam, go to your library, find the binding of Isaac, go to properties, go to installed files. Now click here, browse. It will open this window. You wanna copy this path. Now you wanna exit out of this, go to search, type in settings. In settings, you wanna go to display, scroll down till you find graphics. Now in here, type in binding, and if it's not here, you want to click add a desktop app. Now you want to paste this path here, and you want to add the isaac.ng or -ng, and then add it. And now type in Isaac till you find Isaac game, and now switch this from let Windows decide to high performance. Now, after done that, you want to exit out of this. Obviously, you want to update your drivers to latest and greatest, either AMD or NVIDIA. So go to drivers tab and then download the latest drivers. Also, you want to go to here and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on, and go to system and disable the G-Sync if you have it on. And after you update your drivers, you want to restart your PC, and then that should fix your issue. Also, you can verify the integrity of the game files. And if your PC has more than one hard drive or SSD, whatever, you should move your game to local disk C where your Windows is installed, and the game will run more smoothly and without any issues. But if you have it on D, you want to switch it. So you go to move the install folder and then move it to C, and then simply move, only because the local disk C is more stable because it has Windows on it, and the local disk D or everything else can like bug up. That's it for this video. That's how you fix FPS drops and lag and binding of Isaac. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.